I'm here with my brother Jessy. We're gonna have a barbecue. My mom's gonna be here soon. We're just gonna chill out for the rest of the evening and barbecue and eat and spend time with family. This is gonna go on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna let you guys come with us in the barbecue.
Let's go to the barbecue. Let's go to the barbecue.
Who's gonna barbecue?
John.
But you can't go outside.
I can go to the front.
Where's the barbecue?
On the side. Let's go take a look. Let's go show them. Okay. Let's go show who your audience is. Let's go show your audience.
Let's see what we're working with out here, hey guys?
Yeah, let's get it done. I got my drinking.
Okay. Where's the barbecue? Oh, here it is. Here's the barbecue. Look at this. This is what we're working with. It's nice. This is my mom's dog, Diamond.
Look at that. Look at that.
Anna, don't. That's not even yours.
What is it?
Clea. Valentina stayed home because she fell asleep. Let's see your outfit of the day. Cute. Half ponytail.
Ponytail your butt.
Army. Low-rise shoes. What are
What
those?
here? You guys see this? Look at this dog too.
I know, I showed them Diamond.
Be careful, Sienna. Yeah, be careful. I don't really trust that dog too, you know. You might run.
Cause mom doesn't have kids around it.
Yeah, you know. He's just probably sad waiting for his owner.
Probably.
Candy.
Wow, this is big.
Go and have some if you want.
Nice. It's a nice big barbecue. We'll be back. We're gonna have hot dogs, hamburgers, steak, yummy.
You want to get this in your vlog too? Tasha, you might want to get this in your vlog too.
What are those?
This is why you don't do crime kids. You end up stuck in your house 24/7 of the day. You don't want that. You stay in school.
Let
stay
this
away
be a
from
lesson.
drugs. Yeah, you stay away from gangs too. You get in gang involvement, you come on this or you stay in jail. That's no.
That's a no-no, you hear?
Go grab hot. Okay, now take a picture. And you know how you make the camera go back?
Cheers, you guys.
YoCan Above Plus, what's Gucci?
Yeah. Oh.
Picture time. Look who decided to show up.
Hi there.
My mama. I'm
Hi
vlogging. This is gonna go on YouTube.
Oh, I'm just sweating too.
That's okay. I was sweating too. But we're having a big family barbecue get together. The briquettes are finally here. You know. Oh, touch-ups. What kind of lip gloss is that, mama?
Actually,
That looks good.
I put two together. My boyfriend bought me this brush stick, it's called. It's 4 brushes in one.
Oh, okay.
And there's the lip gloss and the eyeliner. And there's also a blush brush. And there's another one in here. I'll show you.
Oh, look at this
Eyeshadow.
gadget. Wow.
And I don't have to carry around my big case of brushes, and I could just use one item for everything.
Wow.
So this is the gloss I use. I put together. This is my favorite. It's Kiss of Color.
Ooh, is that the kind that smells like coconut?
Yes, coconut oil lip balm. And then I put it together with the EOS.
Oh, the EOS. Okay.
And it just looks awesome.
That does look beautiful. Let me get a smell. Wow, your teeth are so white.
Thank you. And then I
Looks
put
good.
this gloss on.
Nice.
There you go.
That looks so good.
Voila.
I love the pink. And your
Yes.
tan skin. Oh, honey.
I actually stop tanning.
Did you really? Why?
This is my natural skin color. I've had a 4-year tan. And I
Whoa.
tanning.
I wonder if my camera got that. There was just a big bang.
Yes, I'm coming.
He's stuck over there in range. He's stuck over there in range. Mama, come on.
See how this all sticks together? And
Yeah.
then I just twist this.
And it closes up.
Yep.
Nice.
Dada,
Okay.
I'll do it later.
Stay
Diamond was
tuned.
guarding me.
Ew, why are you licking my whip? I got that on camera. Let's see, is there a lick mark?
I didn't lick it.
There's the lick mark. I'm just kidding. Oh, I need Diamond. I'm so sorry. So that's it for my family barbecue vlog. I hope you liked it, and I'll be vlogging more family stuff like that, or just like maybe a day in the life of me. I don't know, whatever you guys want to see, let me know down below. And stay tuned. Thanks for watching.